Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have a new scholarship video for you and this is from the Canada. It's from Ottawa University and it's one of the top universities preferred by international students to study and pursue their bachelor's, master's and PhD degrees. We will discuss about this scholarship in a while. Before that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon to receive the exclusive videos notification tomorrow. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. To get to this Ottawa University Canada scholarship link, you can check the video description. Link is given below and click on that link. It will take you to our website here. Once you land on our website, you can read the details by your own. Similarly, you can click on the link in the Instagram bio and it will take you to the same website. Now, once you are here, you can read about this scholarship as you can study in Canada without IELTS under this university. Now here are some basic details about Ottawa University for scholarships 2022 and 2023. The country is Canada. Its host university is University of Ottawa. Degree level that you can pursue under this scholarship are bachelor's, master's and PhD degrees and financial coverage is fully funded. Deadline varies from course to course and it's in the 2022. Here you can check duration of scholarships and available field of studies. So also there is scholarship value mentioned and here is the University of Ottawa undergraduate scholarships and bursaries. So here is the amount mentioned at each scholarship and similarly you can check graduate scholarships for 2 years and external awards and financial support. Similarly you can check PhD scholarships and their external scholarships. And here you can check admission requirements. So we have mentioned both links for graduate and undergraduate. So you can check further details on the link. You can click on this link here and read on your own. Now, the deadline for the undergraduate is mentioned here is the 1st April 2022 and for graduate it's 1st October 2022. So you have almost 4 months for undergraduate and 10 months for the graduate. So it's enough time to prepare for this application and apply. Now, if you are applying for undergraduate, you can click on this link here, or if you are applying for graduate courses like masters and PhD, you can click on this second link here. So I am applying for graduate to show you demo application process. Both have the same application process, but although you have to choose the eligibility criteria, so there is just an additional section of in education tab. So you have to add high school degree in undergraduate and for graduate you have to add bachelor's degree. Now I am applying for the graduate. Click on this graduate link here in the second link. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the official website of University of Ottawa. Now you can check graduate and postgraduate studies. You can scroll down and all details are mentioned here. Now you can scroll down and check micro programs, graduations, short duration masters and masters program. So I am looking for a masters program. Just click on this here. Similarly, you can check for undergraduate and you have to check undergraduate courses. Now scroll down. You can check all details here about this masters program and all you have to do is just read these details and take you to the next step. Now scroll down. Here you can check apply for admissions. Click on this apply for admissions so that it can take us to the how to apply section. Now we are on the new page and you can read details, decide program, check deadlines, confirm the eligibility requirements, gather the documents and then submit the recommendations and upload documents, and that's how your application is done. Now we are ready to apply. Click on this start your application now. Once we click that, it should take us to the application login portal. So it's on the OUAC portal. We have previously made lot of videos on this OUAC portal. So you can just go to the previous Canada playlist and check these videos. Now once you are on the OUAC portal, you can check our previous videos in Canada playlist. We have made a detailed video on this OUAC portal. Now all you have to do is just, if you are new here for the first time, just create an account. Here click on this create an OUAC account. Once you are done, you will get username and password. Use the same username and password and then hit this login button. So it should take us to the login page in few seconds as it depends on your total internet connection. So let's wait for a few seconds and so that it can take us to the, here you can check we have successfully logged in. Now it shows us the welcome screen. All you have to do is just fill this on the right hand side. You can say check the select program, program choice, personal information, contact information, other information, academic background, transcript requests, test scores, professional background, review and submit. You have to fill these details one by one. Now click on this introduction button here. Now all you have to do is just check details, check these details, keep them ready and click on this proceed to select programs. Now by degree, by specialization, by joint degree. So I can choose by degree, choose the degree which you want, masters, doctors, diploma. So I am choosing for the masters. Just check the course that you want to apply. So any of the courses, so like I am choosing this biomedical engineering, or you can check this civil engineering as I am choosing the masters. Now choose the expected admission term, which term you want or which semester. So I am choosing for the winter and it's fall. So any of the dates, your preferred dates, you can check that and choose the language of instruction. So expected goals, so you can say full time, part time, and type of program. So choose thesis and just check the research program, any of the preferred research program. Then click on save and here you can check we have one preference. Now go to personal information. You can add one more course, but I want to skip that. And here you can check the first name, last name, choose the gender, then date of birth. So I have mentioned the date as per the passport. So you have to choose no stats, then country of citizenship. Choose the country where you have the passport. Then so first language, I am choosing the English. Then save and continue. Now you have to add the reviewer personal information. You can add that. Now proceed to contact information. Now here you can check I have already proceed to contact information. So I can go to other information. Now how did you hear about this University of Ottawa? So you can say friend online publication, which wherever you have, you can add that. Whether you have previously applicant, so I have not previously applied, so I have not applied. So choose the multiple selection scholarship. So this is the important section. You have to choose the scholarships, whichever scholarship you are applying. Just choose the scholarships. If you have applied any of these, so then click save and continue so that we can go to the next. Its academic background. So now no information. Just click on this add an institution and let's add the institution first. So I am adding undergraduate as I have completed the undergraduate. Then choose the institution location. Where did you complete your bachelor's? If you're applying for masters, and choose the institution name. Then field of study, and you have to add all these details. Then choose the degree type and degree already conferred. So you can add dates. Choose the attendance classification full time and English was the language. Just click on save and continue so that now you can go to transcript requests. So you can go to so you can check that you can see you can your university can ask for the transcripts and so you can send them directly request here. So we have the English language as previously. So now you can go to review and submit. So here you can check we have to go to contact information. You did not come, so we have to add the mailing and home address. Let's add these. Click add. So you have to add the home address. Just choose the country. Then save and continue. So you can click on update. So now click on this review and submit on the right hand side. So make sure you entered your name correctly. Okay. So we have the applicant's declaration. So you can check there is some application fee. So you can mail the university and ask for the waiver. So once you ask have the waiver code, you can verify age and click on the continue, verify and agree. Then just here you can check apply third party voucher code. Just ask university for the waiver and voucher code. So they will provide you as an international student. Just apply that and click on apply, and your fee will be automatically made to $0 here. So you don't have to pay any fees. And I hope you understood the process step by step. And please do like this video and hit that thumbs up button. And before that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down in below if you have any doubts. And I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.